In this video, we're going to learn how to start a new discussion in TeamWave directly from your email inbox. Discussions are a great way to share and discuss ideas with your team members about ongoing projects. And with TeamWave, you can initiate a discussion right from your email client like Gmail. To get started, head over to the Email Docs tab within your project and copy the project-specific Smart Email ID. This email address is unique for each project. Next, open your email client and start composing a new email. Paste the project-specific Smart Email address in the to box, and in the subject line of the email, start with discussion followed by the title of the discussion. This will help you and your team members keep track of the topic of discussion. In the email body, add the description of the discussion. You can include any relevant details, updates, or concerns you would like to discuss. Once you're done, hit the send button and your discussion will be initiated in your project. Just remember, everyone in the project will have access to the project-specific email address. So be sure to tag relevant team members in the discussion to keep them in the loop. And that's it. Now you know how to start a discussion in TeamWave directly from your email inbox.